Welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to BeautyForever here for sponsoring this video. We are going to get right into it because today we are going to talk about a new wig, new design, new everything. Let's see what we have in the bag. Of course, you're going to need your bag. Keep it. Edge band, edge brush, wig caps. We have some lashes. Thank you. We have a bonnet. And this is the wig. So they have a new design with this wig, and this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots body wave glueless wig with invisible drawstring. Now this is a highlighted wig, and I love that for us. This is how the lace looks. It's pretty decent. I really like it. Everything so we have pre-pluck, pre-cut, and everything is already prepped. I love how they're doing the lace. This looks so good. And of course, they pre-curl the wig. I know you guys can see that these curls are pre-curled. Look at this. You see that? You see how beautiful this is? Absolutely love it. Now we are going to get to installation, and I want to talk about the drawstring. However, I have a video with demonstration of the new design. This is a no slip, okay? And it's adjustable. I'll show you a video of how once you put this on your head, you don't have to worry about glue or anything. And of course, it also comes with the adjustable strap. You guys already know I be promoting these adjustable straps, and I love them because the drawstring at the back, we've been promoting the drawstrings, and this is how it is. Once it's on your head, you pull it down. It gets as tight as you want, so it doesn't matter what head size you are. This works. And then it have this extra piece that you're also going to pull down, and once it's done, you're going to tuck this under. Okay, so once you tuck it under, it should look something like this. But we are going to show you guys how to do that with the install, and then all you got to do is loosen. I will talk much once we're getting to the install, so let's go prep this wig and do the installation. I love it. Alright guys, so it's time for install, but let me just say something. I'm doing this video so you guys can have it because there's a storm in Jamaica, Hurricane Melissa. You better go back home. So I'm actually doing the video so I can have it out before the storm. So be safe, okay? But we are going to get into this. I did my makeup, of course. And because it's a simple wig, I like to have my makeup already done. But I'm so excited. So BeautyForever, appreciate y'all. And we are going to see how this one turned out. I'm using a cap with makeup on it. It's glueless. You guys know I don't braid my hair no more because I give my hair breaks of taking off the wigs, and because the companies have been making the wigs super easy for you, where we don't need a full frontal. I be liking it because the look with the baby hair and stuff, but it's made it easy for you guys, and this wig is one of those. It's very easy for installation. I'm going to show you guys. I have it right here. So this is how the lace look in real time. It's pre-bleach, but you guys know I like to go in so it can melt properly. I like to go in with a shade powder on my lace so everything blends right into my skin, because we're gonna see, we might do this glueless, we might see how it works. Now with the new method that they have with the wigs, it's obvious we can go ahead and wear these wigs glueless, and this one is no different. There's upgrades that they're making, and I absolutely love this one, which I'm about to show you guys right now. This is the wig, pre-curl, pre-everything with the highlights. I cannot wait to see how this look on me. But it also comes with these straps. Now, let's talk about it. If you ever struggle with wig shifting during workout or sweating, you know, your lace lifting at the forehead or the glue failing and causing lace to loosen or more, look no further, because this is why we have the no slip wig design. Love it for ultimate hold and comfort. It features 360 degrees all-round fixation with a top anti-slip strip surrounding anti-slip tape. Look at that. Completely eliminate shifting. So you see, even the inside, it's going to completely eliminate shifting. The natural lace fit and the anti-curling design use a thin bandage that tightens the lace directly. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to insert a clip in and you guys are going to see it. But the reason for that is they built it right at the lace. So both ends have it. So once you put this on, no slipping. You see that? I'll insert the clip in right now. Now with that lace, with that build, with the no slip, it allows the lace to be laid seamlessly, and I love that with your skin, you know, while preventing curling. Now you guys see this, and I talked about this earlier. You see the color in the wig? I love the highlight. Absolutely love it. Love it. And for the perfect adjustment, the drawstring design adds a second layer of fixation, balancing both safety and adaptability. Like, I love this for a flawless, worry-free fit. This is how it is. I'll show you guys once we install the wig. So absolutely love that. Now let's put this on and see how it fits. I already pulled the lace, so we're gonna loosen it. Everything is loose. We are gonna pull this to our liking. First, I'm gonna do the anti-slip string. That's the first thing we're gonna pull, so it's very secure. Now let's go in with the drawstring. Let me pin this up and show you guys the drawstring, because that part is very easy. And even though the lace is on, once we add the drawstring, you're gonna see this look actually good. Just slip it on and go, girl. Hopefully you guys can see. This is the drawstring. You pull it down. Make sure you tighten it to your head size. Once that's tightened, you're gonna pull the other piece on the drawstring down, and this is what we're left with. We're gonna tuck this under the wig, and once we tuck that under the wig, this is how secure it is. Yes, I love that, and it is even more secure. Now look at that. We are gonna blend this even more. Girl, let's wait for it. But let's check out the curls. If you're a person who don't know how to curl, this wig already have the curl for you. You don't have to worry. Obviously it came in the packaging, so I'm definitely going to use my hot comb to finesse the top and see if we're going to add any more curls to it. I will add layers because it's going to look so nice with layers, but you don't have to. I will, okay? This is for my girls who are in their phase of just getting a wig. You already have a big wig that's colored. You already have a wig that you can just slip on your head. It's pre everything. So we're going to get into that and prep the curling.
Sun don't shine when it's cold outside, you'll be fine now. No blue skies, don't lose your light, you finna shine now. Sun don't shine when it's cold outside, you'll be fine now.
I think I want to make some baby hair in this. Some natural looking baby hair. So we are going to do that. I made the parting. We're going to cut this, and I think I'm going to leave it glueless. So just keep on watching. Very simple, very easy.
We always so undecided, nobody righteous. You sent a word in a flash, made it human likeness. My flow wicked, I spit the the Holy Spirit. I pray I see the sunshine.
So this is what we have working with so far. I didn't add any curls to it, but I will be adding some curls because I need it to fall the way I want it to, but it's obvious. You guys see that you can wear the wig as is. So I'm gonna apply curls to this right now because it is now on. The lace is spectacular. Okay, BeautyForever, absolutely love it. I'm gonna section this off in two. If you decide to add curls in your wig, it's gonna be super easy because the wig is made for that, and I love how they do it. I think I'm gonna do two each, so you guys can just keep on watching while I add curls to it, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Alright, this side is done. I decided to just pin them up so the curls will look so fluffy. So I'm gonna go in with this side, and what I did was I did two and then two. So let me just go ahead and curl it. You guys will see. And I curl it away from my face. So basically like this. I'm just gonna keep on doing this. You guys can watch until the end, or you will see it at the end.
So little time, so little time. May your will be done till the day I die.
Alright guys, this is the wig with the curls being so bouncy. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Just adding different curls to it. Yeah, so now you can finish this wig. We're all done. This was so easy, so nice. Like I told you, you don't have to recurl your hair. I was just extra and I did that, okay? But it was pretty easy as well. So this is the final look. Thanks to BeautyForever once more for sponsoring this video. Guess what's gonna happen? I will definitely have a discount code for you guys, so you have to check the description. All the direct link to the wigs are in the description, so make sure you guys check it, and you can purchase this exact wig. You can check out their website if you want to get more than one, but you will get a discount if you use the link. Okay, now this is the look. I love it. We are going to get into the cute part, and I'm going to show you guys the color a little bit more, but it is beautiful. You see that lace, how beautiful it is. The color complements my tone. Make sure you guys like and share and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Okay?
Am I talking?